In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Charles Schwab brokerage account online. Now, to do this, you're able to use a desktop and open up any web browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox, or whatever you're comfortable with. For this video, let's go ahead and use Google Chrome. Alright, then go to the search bar and type in Charles Schwab, and then over here you're going to see the official schwab.com website, and you just want to go ahead and press on it. Then it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Press on Get Started. Then it is going to ask you what type of account you want to actually open up. So we can open up an individual brokerage. We have things like a Roth IRA, a traditional Roth IRA, etc. So you're able to go ahead and select on individual brokerage, which is basically like the most common one. This is basically like for money that you aren't able to invest in like a Roth IRA because maybe you max it out or something like that. So you just want to go ahead and select on your brokerage account. And then once you guys are over here, it is then going to open up something that looks like this. And if you do have a referral code, you're able to enter it in, but you're able to select on Get Started. And then afterwards, you're going to need to go ahead and put in personal information about yourself, including your first and last name, your suffix, your date of birth, your social security number, which is incredibly important, your email, mobile phone number, and also you're going to need to input other things like regulatory features, reviews, agreements. It's going to ask you about your employment and stuff like that, your experience investing. And then afterwards, you are going to need to connect a bank account over onto your Charles Schwab account. That is so your bank account can actually fund your Charles Schwab account, so the account isn't just like empty or anything like that. So be prepared to do that, and you should be able to actually get things going. So when it comes to actually linking a bank to Charles Schwab, it is going to make you open up the bank app. Then it's going to open up the Bank of America website, and then you need to go ahead and sign in, authorize permission, and you should be good to go. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.